we go. You ready?
Hi! Joe's first bite of food! That's a big bite.
I feel the same way, Joe.
Joe, do you...
Yeah.
That's food, baby. That's food. It gets better.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a smile. Not too fast. He wants to feed himself. He's like, I'm not sure about this. Hi, do you like it?
Nummies.
That's a little smile. Oh, there's the tongue. There's the tongue. Give me some more. Give me some more.
I feel the same way, Joe. I feel the same way. Oh, yeah.
Get that out of my mouth. Get that out of my
I'm
mouth.
gonna try going upside down styles. Ready? Sad?
Don't confuse them.
Joe, your finger does not taste like that. It's the peas. Ready? Another one? Yeah.
Maybe that's enough for now.
I feel the same way, Joe. Poop is gonna be so disgusting. Disgusting. Yeah. It's gonna be disgusting.
What do you think about your first meal?
It's still on my tongue.
Yummy! Maybe he's allergic to it.
First pea sneeze.